$500 an extra. That's your first investment. Think you need thousands? Wrong. Last year, I was leaving $4,200 on the table. Annually. That's $350 in a month gone. Yours too, maybe. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to get it back. By the end, you will know 1. Where to find $500 in this month. 2. The absolute easiest first investment. 3. How to make it grow, starting today. Most people think investing needs big bucks. They're wrong. You can start with $5 and your first $500 and is hiding. Where? In unused subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, that gym membership. Audit your bank statement. Track it. Cancel one service. Save $15 in /month. That's $180 and a year. Small, but it's a start. But wait, it gets better. Tip number 1, your bank's hidden cash. Your bank might offer cash back. Use a credit card for everything. Pay it off immediately. No debt. You get 2% cash back. Spend $1,000 and that's $20 and spend $2,500 and that's $50 and do this for a month. Find $50 and action step, check your credit card rewards. Activate them now. Tip number 2, the roundup trick. This is how I found $300 and apps like Acorns or Stash do this. They round up your purchases. Buy coffee for $3.50. Invest 50 cents. It feels like nothing, but it adds up. Do this for a month. Easily $50 and minus $100 and action step, download a roundup app. Link your card. Tip number 3, sell one thing you own. Look around your apartment. That unused TV? The old bike? Sell it online. Facebook Marketplace. eBay. I sold an old gaming console. Made $200 and clean out one closet. Find $100 and minus $300 and this is your $500 and easy. Action step, list one item to sell today. Here's what nobody tells you. The hardest part is starting. Most people stop at tip number 2. Don't. Tip number 3 is the one that changed everything for me. It made investing real. Tangible. Recap. 1. Ditch subscriptions. Save $15 in /month. 2. Use credit card rewards. Find $50 in /month. 3. Sell one item. Pocket $200 and minus $300 and total $265 and minus $415 and close to $500 and now invest it. Open a Roth IRA or a brokerage account. Put that $500 in VU or an S&P 500 ETF. That's it. You're investing. It will grow. Slowly at first, then faster. This is your first step. Keep going. Next video, how to turn $500 into $1,000 and subscribe so you don't miss it. Links to apps are in the description.